Hello guys, in this tutorial I will create this stacking card effect of the Droip website. So how can we create this stacking card effect using the Droip? So let's get started. Here I am create this 3 card design on the Figma. We will create this design using the Droip. So first of all, understand this structure of our layout. Here you can see this is a wrapper card stack. Inside a card stack wrapper, there's three card element. Now understand the card item structure. Here the card item wrapper. Inside a card item wrapper, there's two element, one for content and another for card image wrapper. Inside a card content element, inside a card content is a two part, one for title, another for description. So this one for title, a paragraph for card description. So this is our structure of the card item. So let's create this structure on the web builder. So drop a section, inside a section drop a container, and inside a container drop a div for card stack. So we just add for section, and inside a section add a container, and this card for card stack wrapper, card stack wrapper, and add another div for card item, drop a another div for card item. So this div it's for card item. Inside a div add a two div element. You can also add a element here and click here, and this is our layout structure. Select this div and drop another div. So rename our layout panel card item div, and inside a card item div there are two part, card content and image wrapper. So inside a image wrapper drop a image element, select it and drag here, and also select the card content and drop a another div element, click here, paragraph and heading. So click again layer panel and select the card content and click a paragraph. Our structure is ready. Change our content. Our layout is ready. Now create this style. Select the card item and add a style. Stuck card item, and select this linear gradient. Copy your style from the Figma. Select here and change the color, update the opacity, and copy this color and select this one and paste here, update their opacity, and add another color for white. I'm add white, so I add this color, copy the border color, stack color from here, update it, and radius 24 pixel. Select card item, add display flex. Now our element this look like. So also add the height the card item 400 pixel. Now select this card content and set a class stack card content. Okay, so card content add for padding 48 pixel box side 46 pixel, and select this card image wrapper and set margin top auto. This element will align this left part. Select uh, select here and reset this center. Update the color. Select this on. Select the heading and remove their default margin. Okay, after then add enter regular medium 40 pixel. Add a content, add a display flex, and set it display column and set the space between. Now select the card item and press Ctrl D and duplicate this card item and update their content. Go to Figma, copy content from here and select this card stack wrapper and set a display flex and set the display flex direction column and add a row gap 48 pixel and preview our design. Yeah, our design is look same to same on our Figma, so we cannot scroll properly, so add a height on the body like a 400 pixel. Now check our design, reload it. Yeah, so our design is ready. So we need to create this stacking effect like this on. Select the now select the cart item and go to the position panel and select it stick the top value is 100 pixel and go to interaction panel, click here and set apply to class card stack item and set a trigger while element is calling and create a custom response and select the card item again and change our apply to class for only trigger with this class. Now set a interaction. Okay, it's called set a interaction for scale and click here, update this scale point 0.8. It will go to 1 to 0.8. Now let's check this preview. Scroll now. Yeah, our design is look like almost, and when you scale, our design is look like not okay. So add another interaction for rotation for minus s 9. Check preview, reload it. Yeah, our design is same to same right now of this Droip website. Here you can see this is our same effect we are created using the Droip. Is an amazing no code builder. So if you enjoy my video, please like and comment, and thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.